Hello, learners. Welcome to another edition of our program, Learn English with Mana. In today's edition of the program, we're going to talk about reflexive pronouns. We are continuing our studies on pronouns, and we hope that you please follow along. Okay? So, this kind of pronoun, we need to explain it in the simplest form so we all can be able to write reflexive pronouns in sentences. Okay? Now let's get to it. With the definition, reflexive pronouns says here, they are special words that refer back to the subject of a sentence. Okay? So when we write a sentence, we realize that we have subject in the sentence. We refer back to that subject. We are automatically writing reflexive pronoun in that particular sentence. Great job. Examples that we have captured here are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ourselves. Great. So we'll write some sentences so we can look at them and see how we can make it much more easier. I taught myself to play the piano. So this particular portion, all right, this word, myself, okay, becomes our reflexive pronoun. So in other words, reflexive pronoun looks this way. For example, you have the mirror and you are seated in front of the mirror. So who or what do you see? Who do you see? You see yourself. So it reflects, all right? Reflection. So reflexive pronoun talk about reflection, like what you see, you're giving it back. Okay, now an example we also wrote here so that we can write, we created a blank space for, you can do it yourself. Okay, so you can do it yourself becomes our reflexive pronoun. Great. How to use reflexive pronoun? We have two important points captured here. The first one we say reflect back to the subject, which is very key that you need to know. And reflexive pronoun also, it shows self-action. All right, the action that you yourself do, you are showing it back. Okay, now when to use reflexive pronoun? We often use reflexive pronoun after verbs. So like myself, teach. All right, see, do, I can do it, you see here. All right, do, you see thought. Okay, I can make it myself. All right, I like it myself, I see it. All right, all these words you use it with reflexive pronoun. And the last one here, we said that reflexive pronoun emphasize. All right, I did it myself. All right, emphasis, getting emphasis back to you. All right, I myself, I did it myself. That's our lesson for today on reflexive pronoun. If you found our lesson really amazing, please make sure you support us. We are on Facebook at Mana Prince Koroma, on Instagram and TikTok at Learn English with Mana 1, and on YouTube at Learn English with Mana. Bye-bye.